The external siding of the Japanese-style tiny cabin home on wheels is primarily black, while the interior is mostly white with some wood details. With an open plan kitchen and sofa area, the entrance is located in the middle. The bedroom and closet are on the right side, while the large bathroom is on the left. The areas are divided by sliding doors with Japanese-style embellishment, giving this small, mobile tiny house flexibility. Its experimental roof design, which also conceptually reflects a traditional Japanese house, is another distinctive aspect of this first Japanese-style tiny home on wheels model. This adds value to the mass composition of this mobile tiny home, which is distinct from other tiny homes in general that primarily focus on the economical aspect. In addition to having a small and adaptable space, this tiny home also has another distinctive exterior features. The second variant of tiny cabin dwelling features simpler and more compact Japanese design concept. This little house is intriguing because it makes use of its front and side walls, which are accentuated with glass and other transparent features to optimize natural light in the large center space. A separate bedroom with a sliding door is located on the right side of this little house structure. This tiny house on wheels also has a small camouflage door next to the bedroom sliding door that leads to the backyard. The bathroom is positioned to the left of the room, behind the little kitchen, as though it is not readily apparent from the exterior of the structure. The Japanese tiny home concept is also present in this third tiny cabin residence. The division between the kitchen and the main area is what makes this tiny house on wheels special. The kitchen, which shares circulation with the entrance, is situated in a semi-outdoor space on the right. Since the separate kitchen makes for a cozy living area, I think this is really inventive and beneficial for the living area of this compact house. The entrance doors, which double as the kitchen door, may be turned upwards throughout the day to create the illusion of more space for everyday tasks. The Japanese style concept is also emphasized in the fourth tiny cabin home on wheels design, both in the interior and external design. The kitchen and bathroom are in the same circulation as the entrance, and the loft bed on the right side is situated above them. The bedroom, which is on the left, is a somewhat large space with a glass window that lets users enjoy the outdoors from their bed and maximize natural sunlight. Behind the bed in the main bedroom is a semi-mezzanine floor that serves as a storage space for the user's wardrobe and other belongings, and has a window for natural light.